I built this kingdom, but who really reigns? I walked on the walls of Babylon, gold beneath my feet, power in my hand. I said, look at all that I have done. By my strength, by my command. Palaces rising to the sky, nations trembling when I speak. But I didn't know the God Most High was watching every word I breathe. Then a voice came down from heaven's throne, said, "Oh King, your time has come. Until you know who truly reigns, your crown will fall, your mind will change. Until you know that heaven rules, until your pride is stripped to truth. Kings are dust, crowns will fade, but God alone will never change. Until you bow, until you see that power comes from sovereignty. The Most High reigns forevermore, above all kings, above all thrones. He reigns forever. The Most High, He reigns alone. My mind was lost, my glory gone. I lived like beasts beneath the sky. 7 seasons passed me on, till mercy opened up my eyes. Nails grew long, my strength was weak, but grace was working secretly. When I looked up, not to myself, He gave my kingdom back to me. The moment I lifted my eyes above, my reason returned, my heart learned love. What pride destroyed, grace restored, when I honored the eternal Lord. Until you know that heaven rules, you'll chase the crown and still be fooled. But when you bow before His name, He lifts you up without the shame. The Most High reigns in majesty. He humbles kings, He sets them free. All dominion, all renown belongs to Him who wears the crown. He reigns. Now I, Nebuchadnezzar, lift my voice to praise the King of heaven's choice. All His works are truth and right. He walks with justice, rules with might. Those who walk in pride, beware. He has power to humble there, but those who turn and are